Beef, do you want this candy? You want this candy? This is a gummy worm. Ooh. Oh yeah, yummy gummy. Oh yeah, hold on. Shh, hold, you gotta wait. Sit. Alright. He's getting ready. What do you say? Calm down, Lily. Come over here. What do you say? I love you. You say I love you? Calm down. Beef, calm down. You love me? You said it, didn't you? I love you. I love you. Do it. Do it soft. Beef. I love you too. Here, baby. Say it one more. Good boy, Beef. He's such a good boy. Here, Lily, you want two? 1 and 2. Now hold on. Hold on. Watch this. Here. Can you hold this one for Beef? Hold that one in your other hand. Put that worm in your other hand. No, Beef. No, Veroni. Put your worm in your other hand. Those are yours. Now you're going to give this to Beef?
Yep.
Okay. Give Beef, wait. Tell him to sit.
Sit.
Beef, no. Tell him to sit. Good boy. Easy. Good boy. Yeah. That was yours. Good boy, Beef. Good job, Lily. You're a big helper.